All right, so quick little discussion recap. This is the brake hose we took off of Hazel yesterday. That was expanding, basically compressing because it was coming apart inside. You can see, ooh, that's a good shot. You can see the multiple layers. You can see how it was expanded here on the braided layer inside. So what it would do is it would push the brake fluid when you hit the brake pedal into the wheel cylinders. Cool, that would work really good. When you'd let go, the suction drawing the fluid back to the master cylinder would squeeze the line shut because it is soft. See that? So when it would squeeze shut, it wouldn't retract all the way because there'd be pressure left in the calipers. And as you drove, it would eventually come back slowly like that and then be okay again. This is what happens to rubber brake hoses, boys and girls. They might look okay on the outside, but I'd say if they're more than 10 years old or on something that's not daily used, this is gonna happen. So mind your brake hoses, everybody.